Yeah, thank you. First of all, I would like to say that I'm not that much academically qualified like all you guys are there. So everyone has a great bio. Aditi ji, I know about you because we are connected via Facebook from last, I think, 6, 7 months. And what Gaurav told and what Vivek ji is saying, so it's just amazing, and I feel honored. That I am connected with such great people, such great persons who are working so many great things. So about me, basically, as I told that I am not academically qualified. You can consider me a college dropout. Okay, so and currently. Basically, I am an entrepreneur, and currently, as Atiti ji, I told you earlier, and we had been in communication about the same. So I am working on an video interactive news network. So my platform is completely ready as far as the coding part is concerned and testing is concerned. We have tested it thoroughly. We have tweaked it and mastered each and every component of that system. So before this, I'm basically much more interested in online videos, video platform, anything related to videos. I'm not. Basically I'm text. I'm sick from text. So I don't like typing, and I like videos and audios and a more interactive way of communication. So earlier, this project I did video mailing service around 4 years back. So we created it video mail, and I wanted to मैं चाहता था कि इसको I hope you guys are good in Hindi too.
Yes, of course, definitely.
Yeah, okay, thank you. So मैं चाहता था इसे मैं खुद चलाऊं, but due to जो मेरे पास whatever fund I was having, so all was invested in the development and testing. So there was no money left for me to run the show. So I sold the code to one of the partner, you can say, in some of the VC company. So I got little money from that code, and from that money, I again invested that in my current project, that is 24/7 News Network, which is basically what we are trying to do here at 24/7 News Network. That you see, Aditi ji, I think you are a little bit aware of it. Okay, so for Gaurav and for Vivek ji, I think Gaurav के साथ जो है थोड़ा बहुत तालमेल, थोड़ा बहुत कुछ मतलब इंटरेस्ट थोड़े बहुत मिलते हैं हमारे प्रोजेक्ट के, और विवेक जी भी शायद थोड़ा बहुत उसमें कुछ अपने सजेशंस दे पाएंगे. सो व्हाट एक्चुअली व्हाट वी फाउंड, वी रियलाइज दिस थिंग दैट mainstream media, there is a big problem in mainstream media, and we realized it that being India one of the biggest democratic country, and we don't find any democracy in mainstream media. So it's like in democracy, I feel that हर तरह का एक equal rights for everything should be equally provided to each and every one. So whereas on mainstream media this thing was missing, they what they do, what they say, it's like dictatorship almost for every channel. Even for online channels also, for online blogs also, everyone have some kind of set agenda and they are working for it. So what we wanted to do it, we wanted to create a common platform for each and every user. Whatever they want to say, whatever they want to share, so they can use our platform, and that too in a video interactive way. So on my platform, text is almost, there is say 10% will be text and 90% will be videos. So on this platform, we will be doing it in coming days, that we'll be broadcasting our news, and we'll be getting the news from each and every corner of the world. So it's like this ki on mainstream media we only get the news about four big cities in our country, or the four major topics like politics or crime or financials or something like that. We don't hear anything about what we are doing right now, what Aditi ji you have done, starting a group and engaging people, like-minded people, and trying to create something out of it. So for us, there is nothing like good news or bad news. Every information, we believe that every information, anything happening anywhere in the world, it's a news. So even our work, this what Aditi ji, your work is this, it is also a news for us. So what we intend to do it, we intend to share the information, each and every information to each and everyone. So it's a kind of, we wanted to provide a common platform, each and every user, where everyone can find whatever they want to. So something like that.
What do you guys think about it?
Yeah, it sounds okay. Yeah, I'm not on mute. So, Ashwani, is your site already online? I was trying to search for it, like, to have a look at the platform better while you were speaking.
Yeah, currently we are offline. Very soon I'll be having my own server, so that time it will be online.
So,
Previously we have
something
tested
like,
it online, and I have shown the demo to Aditi ji also. Aditi ji, I hope you remember.
Yes.
So,
Yeah, of course I do.
I have one question. So, is it something like, I see something happening in my locality, and I know, like, none of the mainstream media is covering. So, but this is something like, should reach people. So, is it like I create a video and then I upload on your platform, or is it like I get an account and I can do a live streaming through your platform? I have this like doubt. How does this work?
Whatever you are saying, everything is possible on our platform. Even as a guest user,
Sorry.
if you want to share anything, you can upload the videos, you can share it, you can even upload your own shared video with the social media also, just on a click of a mouse or touch of a finger. So we have say kind of different kind of accounts also there. For guest user, they have only 1 minute 30 seconds of recording time, and for Facebook user, you can, if somebody log into our account, our platform, so using their Facebook account, then they get the timing of 3 minutes recording time. And if someone registered with us on 24/7 unique ID, so they get 6 minutes of timing. And even we have another option, that is only the few who are really active doing such kind of stuff, or in such activity, or who are regular uploaders, so they can join us as a video journalist also. So for them there is no problem about the timing, as and when anytime if they need, say we need 2 hours, we have some function going on, we want to cover it, so we can allot the time that too for our video journalist people.
Okay. And how is the feedback getting? Are you getting like any users? As of now, the site is offline.
No, site is offline. We tested it previously online. We have done extensive testing, and the interesting thing is this, that as I told you, that we are video injective. Video injective means कि अगर गौरव जी जैसे आपने अपने एरिया से कोई वीडियो अपलोड किया, कोई इंफॉर्मेशन अपलोड की, उसको देखने के बाद जो यूजर उसे देखेंगे, नाउ दे कैन आल्सो रिप्लाई टू योर न्यूज और योर इंफॉर्मेशन इन अ वीडियो फॉर्म. इट्स लाइक दिस कि अभी तक जो कैमरा और माइक्रोफोन जो था मतलब मेन स्ट्रीम मीडिया के कंट्रोल के अंदर था, हमने उसे निकाल के हर डेस्कटॉप, लैपटॉप और मोबाइल यूजर तक पहुंचाने की कोशिश की है.
Ashwini, can I ask you?
Yeah, sure. Please go ahead.
Basically, you are coming up with an idea of modifying the YouTube, mixing it with Facebook and Instagram and media, and give it to the people, right?
Yeah, that's correct.
I think what he wants to do is crowdsource it, right? Crowdsource it,
Yes.
and then social sharing, social networking. Yeah.
Amazing. So basically, Ashwin जी, एक बात बताइए कि जितने आपके यूजर्स हैं, जितने लोग ये रजिस्टर अभी करें, फीडबैक आपने इसकी किसी कॉलेज, किसी एक ऑडियंस के सामने टेस्टिंग करी है इसकी?
Not really.
150 लोगों को बिठा करके लाइव इसकी लोड बैलेंसिंग या कोई लाइव टेस्टिंग करी है कि हाउ गुड दैट प्रोजेक्ट इज?
लोड बैलेंसिंग हमने किया है, और कंटिन्यूस, मतलब हमने इवन अपने बॉट बना के भी उसको टेस्ट किया है, जो कि उसको रेगुलर पिंग करते रहते थे और रेगुलर स्टफ अपलोड कर रहे थे. बट एज यू नो, एवरीथिंग इन द फर्स्ट स्टेज वी कैन नॉट डू एवरीथिंग सो ऑसम, सो परफेक्ट.
और सेम क्वेश्चन जो मैंने गौरव से किया था सर, डोंट माइंड मी इंटरप्टिंग यू, आप जैसे वीडियोस को कैसे हैंडल करोगे ये बताइए मुझे. आपके पास इतना सारा ट्रैफिक वीडियोस का आएगा, सो मेनी वीडियोस एंड इमेजेस विल बी विद यू. बिल्कुल, अगर आप सबको ये पावर दे रहे हैं कि कोई भी अपनी आसपास की इवेंट या कोई घटना कुछ अपलोड कर सकता है, कुछ भी कर सकता है, so you are going to have lots of traffic and उसमें कुछ भी कंटेंट हो सकता है. How you are going to approve or validate everything which has been uploaded by the user?
Yeah, that's a good question. So for that we have 2 different modules. One is this, that we will be having our own moderation and admin team who will have the access to backend and where they can monitor each and every activity, which what stuff is coming to us, coming to our server. Secondly, if they find anything good or bad, they can immediately disable it, moderator can disable it, and admin can delete it. Okay, so if any moderator disables something, if say some admins are not online, none of the admin is online, and a few moderators are there, and they disable some of the video, they can disable it. Okay, while the admin comes online, and they can recheck it if they find it's worth sharing, so they can enable it. If they find no, this should be online, they can delete it. And even if nobody is there, if nobody, no admin, no server, no moderator is there, we give this option to each and every user. They can report any video, and in our system, after a specific number of counting of reporting, the video itself became disabled. So
I guess your second model is going to be more amazing because in this media world we are talking about 1 second flash. You are 1 second late. You have posted a comment and it's going to take like 1 second to be appeared. And if your admin is not available, something is not there for approval, then how are you going to handle it?
So for that, as I told that some kind of automatic system counting the number of reporting, bad reporting, so the video can be disabled.
Yes,
But
amazing,
obviously,
amazing.
but obviously,
Ashwini sir, this concept is going to be rock solid concept if you are taking it to the right direction. And technically, I tell you, you are going to need 2 servers. If you don't want to crash or get hacked or something, you have to have 2 servers. Not first server where user are going to update, यहाँ पे आपके admin वगैरह modify करेंगे. Second thing is एक major server जिस पे आपकी पूरी site चलेगी. Otherwise आप 10 दिन में hack कर देगा कोई आपको sir. No offense.
hacking का रहता है, hacking का even our testing phase we faced it, and after that we implemented very tight security, and luckily that security system was working.
Amazing. आप बहुत बढ़िया concept है. I would love to discuss and share a few thoughts. आपने जो document भेजा था, unfortunately मैं नहीं देख पाया हो. I'll
No problem.
definitely have a look and get back to you, sir.
No problem. Most welcome.
And Aditi, I just want, yeah.